Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Euro US dollar chart, and this is a very important chart, and indeed the time has indeed come to look at this stock or look at this forex chart, because the way the stock or the way the chart is moving, it's tell you something which one needs to know on an immediate basis. So if you can check out the €1 equal to $1.19, which is the current price going on into the market. But let me uh, take you to the chart, because this is one of the major component of US dollars, and it indeed moves in an opposite direction when you compare it with the US. So when euro US dollar went up, dollar basically goes down and vice versa. So anyhow, I have already made couple of videos on US dollars index or DXY, and if you want to check, you can check it out on my channel. And basically the way I have explained the chart is, or what my observation is about the chart looking at the current situation, is that it will definitely go down. Okay, so there are reasons for that, and the way the chart is moving obviously tells you some story, and you can see or you can check out the same thing, okay, but in an opposite direction when you are looking at the euro US dollar chart. So here you have the chart, and firstly just understand that what we have right now is a candlestick chart. So here you can see the chart is not very clear from 19 till 1986, and after that we have a trend. So I can use this chart, but what I will do here is that I will use Heikin-Ashi chart. It will basically give you the average price rather than the open, close, high and low. It will give you the average price for everything. Okay, so the price will be a bit different, but what is going to be similar is the trend. Okay, so that's what we are going to look at, is about the trend. So let me just yes, so you have this Heikin-Ashi chart. Okay, now you have a clear trend. What you can expect in this chart you can clearly see, and here you have the chart, and it is clearly telling you that the the time has finally come for this stock, for this indices to move up. It's not indices, it's basically a currency. So looking at this trend, it is a very likely possibility that euro USD is going to move on the higher side in the months as well as in the years to come. You have this trend. Okay, now you have the trend, and the possibility is very high. And when this thing happened, what basically happens is global economy turns, and you will see a sharp movement in the stock market across the globe, and it has happened previously. As you can see, this is just a correlation. This is a very important and very interesting correlation. As you can see here, that from the lows of 1985 to the highs of 1992 and probably 1995, you can see that some stocks, basically that was the time when tech boom has happened, but this is not very much correlated, I would say, this portion. But when it comes to 2001 to 2007 or 2008, it is specifically correlated with the global boom. So when you can see that euro USD rises, and the same thing happened on the dollar index, but on the opposite side, that the dollar index falls down from the high of 1997 or 2000 highs to the lows of 2008 and 9, and which um, actually spark a global rally. Okay, so this is very visible here in the chart. So if it is about to happen, it's going to be the same thing which will happen again, because previously or after 2008, what has changed actually is that whenever market goes down, basically US comes from the front. Obviously Euro has used the same trick, Japan has used the same trick, China is using it, but it is not clear because their economy is not as open as the other big developed economies. And all the major economies use the same trick, that print money or purchased all the major assets of your country, uh, and government has the majority stake so that nobody can sell it out. So these kind of tricks are not new, but it's actually started after 2007 and 8. And this is the reason which through which one can find that the same thing will happen, and it is for a long term, because the last time this this trend has a length of around 7 years, so specifically 2500 days. So if it's already started, we don't know, because it's already make a base and then it's like a uh, double bottom kind of pattern. So probably it's already started, and it will go as long as 2023. So obviously you should not ignore this trend, and this is very important thing which is happening, which is going on. And for the sake of identifying the trend, what you can do here is this, that you have support at 1.09 on the downside. So if the price falls below 1.09, obviously the trend will change, and you can see this will go down, and simultaneously US dollar will go up. But this, if this low sustains, and if it makes a high, or if it crosses above 1.21, or more specifically above this level rather than 1.21, if the price sustain above, as you can see here, let me just, yep, above 1.26, then it is a confirmation that a big global rally is about to come, or already started. First of all, US dollar is going to fall and Euro USD is going to rise. And looking at the previous trend, where the length of the rally was 93%, and uh, here you also have, it is also around 100%. So what I will do here, I will use the previous trend as 93 or 90% I will use. Okay, so from this low, if I use 93%, it will be somewhere, or 87%, it will be somewhere 2 in 1.9 to 2. Here you have your trend 1.9 to 2. Okay, so this is the level which will be there on the cards probably in the years to come, in the months and the years to come. And this is a very important trend, obviously, because if dollar falls down, it will be good for the global economy. So this is a big tailwind which has already started. If you haven't seen it, or if you haven't observed or analyzed it, so this is the time to look at it, because we are at the beginning of a big global phenomena which is about to roll out. And before things about to turn for the stock market, and whenever people are saying, naysayers will come out and say, no, this is not right, this does not looks right, things across the globe has some problem, then obviously every time you can check out in the history that that is the actual rise or the beginning of the bull market, and that's what is going to happen. Obviously there will be booms and there will be bursts. So it's a cycle, we all know that. But whenever these things happen, we know what comes next. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.